In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project calculator using Google Forms. Whether you're managing a team, organizing events, or just need a reliable tool to calculate project estimates, a project calculator can be incredibly helpful. Google Forms makes it easy to put together a form that suits your needs, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. To start, head over to Google and search for how to create a project calculator in Google Forms. This will provide various resources, but we're going to focus on how you can do this yourself. Open Google Forms, and if you haven't already, log into your Google account. Once you're in, begin by selecting a blank form. This will allow you to customize everything to your liking from scratch. First up, give your form a title. Since this is a project calculator, you might simply call it Project Calculator or something more specific that fits your purpose. Providing a clear and descriptive title will help others understand the form's purpose at a glance. In the description box right below, include any necessary instructions or introductory information you think will be helpful for participants. Now, let's start adding questions. Click the plus icon to add a new question. You'll want to set the first question to gather basic project information. This could be the name of the project, the client, or the department responsible. For these, select the short answer question type and make such fields required to ensure you don't miss any key details. Continue adding questions that help break down the components of the calculation. For instance, you might include questions for estimating the number of work hours required, material costs, or any additional fees. Choose the number option under response validation to ensure inputs are numerical and ask as detailed questions as possible to gather comprehensive data. To add a layer of interactivity, consider employing sections to your form. Sections can help organize questions and guide users through the form smoothly without overwhelming them. Click the Add Section button from the toolbar to divide different parts of your form. Once all questions are set, it's time to think about the logic of calculations. Under each question, particularly where numbers are involved, make sure to use meaningful default values to make it easier for users. While Google Forms isn't equipped with calculation functions, you can connect responses to a Google Sheet where you can set up formulas to compute totals and other functions automatically. Before finalizing, click on the eye icon at the top to preview the form. This lets you experience it as users will and ensure everything operates as expected. Make any necessary adjustments, and once you're satisfied, hit send. Google Forms provides options to share via link, email, or embed it into websites. And there you have it, a straightforward DIY project calculator using Google Forms. By utilizing this setup, you can efficiently gather data and compute results, streamlining your project management tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.